Yak Backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Let's put a snake together. That would be a fun craft to do. So we're going to make a rattlesnake together. So let's make his body together. This is a rabbit. We found the word rabbit. Say rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Okay, let's use our stapler and make the rattlesnake together. We're going to make a fun rattlesnake. Rattlesnake. I'm going to staple his head to his body. There we go. Look, it's starting to make a rattlesnake. Okay, let's see what word we find on this one. Ring, ring. We found our word ring, ring. Okay, let's wrap the ring to make our rattlesnake. And we'll staple them together. Let's see what word we find now. We found the word red, red. We found the word red. Let's wrap it around and make our rattlesnake. And let's use our stapler. Oh no, it came apart. Let's wrap the red word around again. Let's find our next word. It's a rock. We found the word rock. Say it with me. Rock, rock, rock. Now let's wrap the rock around and make our rattlesnake. Oh, he's coming along. Next word, we found roof. We found a roof. Roof. Now let's wrap the roof around the rattlesnake and then staple it together. I bet you can make this at home with your mom, and you could practice your R sounds while you do it. Oh, we found some rice. Rice, rice. Say rice with me. Rice. Let's put the rattle on our rattlesnake. Let's staple our rattle on. Look, we made a rattlesnake. Look at his rattle. What a great rattlesnake we made. Bye-bye.
Yak Backpack. Yak Backpack.